Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing accounts and the device itself. Create a distinct child account so settings won't affect your profile. This keeps play history and purchases separate. Once done, update the headset firmware and companion app to ensure parental features are available. Make sure you set a secure PIN or password and add a recovery email. This prevents kids from changing settings. You're beginning the control process now. Don't skip updates, because missing features can block later steps. Next, configure specific restrictions and usage limits. Open parental controls in the app or headset, set age-based content filters, and require purchase approvals for new apps. This stops unwanted content and charges. Then establish daily playtime caps and schedule bedtime blocks so usage matches household rules. Also, restrict social tools, disable or limit messaging, voice chat, and joining public parties to reduce exposure. As you apply each control, test one setting at a time, then verify it works on the child account, but finally, finish by confirming and monitoring the controls you set. Log into the child account to verify restrictions actually apply, run a quick simulation, try accessing blocked content so you know it's enforced. Turn on activity reports and weekly summaries in the app to watch behavior and adjust limits over time. If something fails, reboot the headset and companion app, reapply the parental settings, and check app-level permissions. If problems persist, reset the PIN and update firmware, because outdated software often breaks enforcement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.